The sun is making me glow. My skin is glowing. My energy is flowing. Once this sun sets, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, she looks horrible. I kid. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Daisy Doll. If you're new here, if you're not new, welcome back. In today's video, I just want to do a little Dollar Tree haul. I've been doing these, Dollar Tree find, travel finds, really, travel essentials videos. And, I came across a few things at my last trip at the Dollar Tree. And I thought I'd just, show you all what I got. I know you're looking at me like, you are wearing like what, plaid right now? And there's a tree right here. This is currently a fall tree. It has like fall, colors on it. It's not Christmas time yet, but I was in a good mood and I threw on this beautiful plaid shirt. I've had this on the whole day. I got the goods. Oh, if you're not new here, what do you think about my hair? Do you like this hairstyle? Even if you're new, you could go back to my old videos. Let me know what you think. I'm trying to figure my hair out. It's been a journey. It's still a journey. If you like the hair, put like some red hearts in the comments. Here's the first item. Let me make sure that you could actually see that. So this is the first item. It is a shoe eraser and it says, just add water. When we're traveling, like we're literally stepping all over the place. We're like in the airport, in the bathrooms, jumping in and out of cabs, Lyfts, Ubers, walking down the street. I feel like this could come in handy. It does say it's for white soles. So, if your shoe has like a white sole, you could definitely use this. I feel like you could pack it easily in your carry-on or your personal item bag and you're good to go. As it says right here, $1.25. This is like a little something to clean your shoes, especially when you're traveling and you're just on the go. It's easy for you to get your shoes dirty, so definitely pick this up. This is a shower travel kit. I don't know if you can see all the items that are actually in there. It's a 5-piece travel kit. That is really nice to have when you're traveling and you have all these like products. Some of us, we are sticklers for our favorite like bath products, body products, self-care products. So when we go to like a hotel or when we're on the go traveling, we're in an Airbnb, we want to have those products that we love, right? So this is definitely a good packet. So you have like this little tub, you could put like your eye cream or something in there. And then it has like 2 of these bottles with, it has palm trees on it. How cute. Very, very cute. And it has like a cute little sponge in it. Sometimes when we do these trips, people like to use like, I don't know, the wash towels at the hotel. Sometimes it's just easier to like have your own sponge, right? So this actually comes with a sponge. It's like they put a lot just into this one container. So I'm definitely down with it and it's easy to close. Oh, shit. Did I just? All you do is you have this slider here, you put it on, and you essentially close your item. I feel like you could actually take this in your carry-on, in your personal item bag, as it is in here. You just fill up the stuff and then you just take this with you. Now, the other thing that I did like that I saw is this. I picked this up. This is more like, they call it a pill box and you could put your vitamins in it, I've actually used this a few times on my travel. I have a couple of other pill boxes and I use it for like my vitamins. When you're on the go and you're traveling, you're just like I don't have time for this. I don't have time to be taking like the big bottles of everything. It's easier to just grab this and put your actual pills in it. Sunday through Saturday, you could fill this up. Now, the other use for this that I really realized later on, like in this year, is that you could actually use this to store other things as well, like jewelry, for instance. So, instead of like buying a specific jewelry box, you could actually just buy this. You could put your earrings in here. You could put your stud earrings. You could put your dangly earrings. You could put your rings. right? Your rings. You could put your necklaces, your choker, your bracelets. This is actually a good size. Like, it's deep enough for you to actually put these things in there. So I highly recommend it. The next item that I saw was this. It's called the Gura Nanda Electrolyte Drink Mix. Now, I've never had it before, but this brand is actually a pretty famous brand. I feel like a lot of people have seen it in a lot of places. I feel like they're known for like mouthwash, you know, like oral care products. So like I have one of their mouthwashes. So that's how I recognize them. And I feel like they have some good stuff. They're a good brand, right? But I've never tried their electrolyte drink mix. So it has vitamin B3, B5, B6, B12, B13, no, it has C as well. So, and it's a lemon lime flavor. You can't go wrong with lemon lime flavors, right? I haven't tried it yet, but I feel, again, when you're on the go, you're traveling, you know, you're around a lot of people, you need something to help keep your, you know, your energy up, you know, boost your vitamins, you know, like maybe you regularly take your vitamins and then maybe you're not able to take them as much on a trip. I feel like that happens to me a lot. So I could see, you know, like getting something like this to like refresh, like once I get off the flight, throw it in my bottle of water, drink it, and then guess what? I'm good to go. It says it has 2 stick packets. I feel like this is a good way to stay hydrated when you are on the go, whether you're traveling by flight, by land, whatever it is, by boat. Definitely check it out. I actually found glass dropper bottles. Now, how freaking amazing is that? These actually look like the expensive ones. Like if you look inside, the actual applicator, the bottom has that like fancy bottom that's a little bit more stylized than the typical like dropper. If you have essential oils, if you have things that you're like, you know what, I would rather take some of my oils and some of my ointments and stuff, I feel like this is so good. This would be so useful for you. The next thing that I did get that I actually fell in love with is this beautiful planner. It says, Plan on Good Vibes Academic Planner, 2024 to 2025. The thing about this planner is I feel like you could use it to plan your year out. So if you're trying to plan like your trips, your activities, your goals, things that you're planning for the rest of the year, we have like a month and a half left, right? So there's still stuff that we want to do. Like for instance, I'm trying to figure out what musical I'm gonna see for the holidays, or what performance I'm gonna see, right? Gotta have that in the mix. You could use this to plan different things. You could plan out 2025, whatever it is you're envisioning for yourself, whether it's your health goals, fitness goals, fashion goals. I feel like I got a lot of goals that I'm trying to get set. This is such a cute planner. So it has like the months. So it looks like a calendar. So this is like November 2024. It has the dates, and then it has all these boxes you can fill in with whatever activities that you're thinking of doing. I know we're so used to like putting stuff in our phones these days, but I don't know. I feel for me personally, I actually want to start writing things down again. Like I kind of miss that experience of, you know, taking, you know, a pen and paper, or taking, you know, a color pencil, you know, or taking some crayons and doing stuff. So, you know, that reminds me, I did buy some new journaling supplies, which I feel like it's gonna be in a different video. I did purchase these chopsticks. So these are called the Sushi Time bamboo chopsticks, right? And I thought these were so cute. It has these like little like sushi animation right here. It is super duper cute. The bamboo seems super solid. I'm a little bit surprised that I even found it at the Dollartree. I feel like, hey, maybe this is just an idea. If you like to have sushi while you're on the road, while you're traveling, and you know, you want something that seems a little, you know, feels a little bit more durable as you eat, feels solid, definitely get this for your trip. I would say that. The last thing that I did get from the Dollar Tree is, drumroll please, these tall kitchen bags. So now you might be wondering, okay, how is this a travel essential? Well, you know, when you're traveling, you do accumulate dirty items, right? You know, like dirty socks, dirty shoes, dirty clothes, you know, all of that, right? And I feel a certain way, like trying to put those dirty things back in the mix of my suitcase, right? Especially like if there are items I didn't even touch, that I didn't even wear for the trip. I'm like, I don't want my dirty items in the mix with that. So that's why I've gotten used to getting things like this. I did that for a couple of my trips this year and it came in so handy. Like I remember the first time, like the first trip I did in the year, I was like, really struggling to find a bag. And I remember when the cleaning lady came by, I was like, oh, do you have any extra bags I could use? And I was like, you know what? I should not do that. I can buy my own bags and bring it with me. That's what I did. I ended up getting this and it was such, you know, a lifesaver. I feel like 2 or 3 max of these, just like, you know, pack it inside your carry-on and you're good. Your dirty clothes have a place to go, right? Anyways, that wraps it for my Dollar Tree travel essentials. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, leave a red heart if you like my plaid shirt. Yeah, let me know what you think. I hope you have some enjoyable, safe travels. Definitely go pick up some of these items because I know they're really gonna come in handy for your trip. All right, I will catch you in my next video. Bye. Wait, do I need to do my hands? Bye.